Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Finance Titans channel, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest crypto news and insights. Today, we're diving deep into Ripple, a cryptocurrency that aims to revolutionize cross-border payments and bridge the gap between traditional banking systems and blockchain technology. Join us as we unravel the story, explore its technology, use cases, challenges, and discuss the future prospects of Ripple. Ripple was introduced in 2012 as a digital asset designed for fast and efficient cross-border transactions. The project aimed to address the inefficiencies and delays associated with traditional payment systems, offering a solution that could enable near-instantaneous, low-cost international transfers. Let's explore how Ripple's technology and unique features set it apart in the crypto world. Ripple was created by Ripple Labs, a San Francisco-based technology company that focuses on developing solutions for the global financial industry. Ripple's mission is to enable the frictionless transfer of money globally by leveraging blockchain technology and digital assets like XRP. Ripple was designed to provide a solution for the challenges faced by traditional cross-border payments. These challenges include slow settlement times, high fees, and the need for multiple intermediaries. Ripple's goal was to create a faster, more cost-effective, and transparent system for international money transfers. At the heart of Ripple lies its innovative technology known as the XRP ledger. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that rely on blockchain, Ripple utilizes a unique consensus algorithm called the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol. This protocol allows for fast, secure, and efficient transaction processing, making Ripple one of the fastest and most scalable cryptocurrencies. The XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol does not rely on traditional mining like Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. Instead, it uses a distributed agreement algorithm that enables the network to reach consensus on the validity and order of transactions. This design allows Ripple to process transactions in a matter of seconds, making it ideal for real-time cross-border payments and settlements. The XRP Ledger's consensus algorithm relies on a network of trusted validators that validate and agree on transactions. This consensus mechanism enables quick and secure transaction settlement, making Ripple suitable for financial institutions and payment providers. Pay, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple ecosystem, plays a crucial role in facilitating cross-border transactions. It acts as a bridge currency, allowing financial institutions to convert fiat currencies into XRP and then back into the destination currency. This eliminates the need for multiple intermediaries and enables faster, more cost-effective cross-border transfers. Ripple's technology, combined with its strategic partnerships with financial institutions, positions XRP as a digital asset that can enhance liquidity and streamline international payments. Ripple's network, RippleNet, provides a platform for banks, payment providers, and other financial institutions to connect and transact with one another using XRP as a bridge currency. This enables faster settlement times, lower fees, and improved overall efficiency in cross-border transactions. Financial institutions can leverage XRP to facilitate liquidity and reduce the friction in currency exchange. For example, if a bank wants to send money from the United States to Mexico, they can convert it into XRP, send XRP across the Ripplenet, and then convert it back to Mexican pesos. This process eliminates the need for maintaining multiple currency accounts, reduces costs, and accelerates transaction settlement. Ripple's ecosystem has grown to include over 300 financial institutions worldwide, including banks, payment processors, and remittance providers. This extensive network of partners has contributed to the increased adoption and utilization of XRP for cross-border payments. Ripple's unique features and focus on cross-border payments have led to a variety of use cases. Let's explore some of the primary applications and benefits of Ripple. Ripple aims to revolutionize cross-border payments by providing faster, cheaper, and more efficient alternatives to traditional systems. Financial institutions can leverage XRP to settle transactions quickly, saving costs and reducing the reliance on intermediaries. This benefits individuals and businesses by enabling near-instantaneous transfers, especially in situations where speed and efficiency are crucial. SURP's liquidity and high transaction speed make it an attractive digital asset for liquidity providers and market makers. Financial institutions can hold XRP to facilitate quick conversions between different fiat currencies, reducing the need for maintaining multiple currency accounts and improving liquidity management. XRP's liquidity is bolstered by its listing on numerous cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide. XRP Ripple has the potential to transform the remittance industry by offering a faster and more affordable solution for sending money across borders. Workers who send remittances to their families in other countries can benefit from reduced fees and faster settlement times, ensuring that funds reach their intended recipients more quickly. The speed and efficiency of XRP Ripple's transactions make it a compelling alternative to traditional remittance services. XRP Ripple has the potential to provide financial access to unbanked and underbanked populations around the world. By leveraging mobile devices and digital wallets, individuals can securely store and transact with XRP, bypassing the need for traditional banking services. This has the potential to empower individuals in areas with limited access to financial services, enabling them to participate in the global economy. Micropayments, XRP's low transaction fees, and fast settlement times make it suitable for micropayments. Content creators, online platforms, and service providers can leverage XRP to enable frictionless microtransactions, such as paying for digital content or accessing pay-per-use services. This opens up new revenue streams and business models in the digital economy. XRP can also be utilized as a bridge asset for tokenized assets and decentralized finance applications. By using XRP as a medium of exchange, users can seamlessly transfer value between different blockchain networks, unlocking new possibilities for cross-chain interoperability and asset tokenization. XRP's speed and scalability make it well suited for supporting DeFi protocols and decentralized exchanges. Despite its potential, XRP Ripple has faced challenges and regulatory consideration. In December 2020, the US Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging that the sale of XRP constituted an unregistered securities offering. This legal battle has introduced uncertainty to the future of XRP Ripple and has impacted its trading and partnership. It's important to stay informed about the legal developments and regulatory environment surrounding XRP Ripple. The outcome of the legal proceedings and the regulatory landscape will significantly impact the future of XRP Ripple. It's crucial for investors and users to stay updated on the latest developments and comply with applicable regulations when engaging with XRP Ripple. While XRP Ripple faces challenges, it continues to work towards its vision of revolutionizing cross-border payments and enabling financial inclusion. The future of XRP Ripple hinges on regulatory clarity, strategic partnerships, and technological advancement. With its fast transaction speed, scalability, and focus on solving real-world problems, XRP Ripple has the potential to make a significant impact on the global financial landscape. As the regulatory environment evolves and becomes clearer, XRP Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions will play a crucial role in driving adoption and expanding its use cases. Additionally, ongoing technological advancements and improvements to the XRP ledger's scalability and interoperability will enhance XRP Ripple's capabilities and position it as a key player in the cross-border payments industry. The growing interest in cryptocurrencies and the increasing adoption of blockchain technology by traditional financial institutions provide a favorable environment for XRP Ripple's continued growth. As the demand for fast, efficient, and cost-effective cross-border payments rises, XRP Ripple's technology and ecosystem are well positioned to meet these needs. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into XRP Ripple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.